Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable taxes for WooCommerce products. This is an essential setting if you're running an online store and need to manage tax calculations for your customers based on your business requirements. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open up your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your WooCommerce store, as this will give you access to all the necessary settings and features. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the core WordPress and WooCommerce options for managing your site. Look for the option labeled WooCommerce and click on it. An expanded menu will appear, showing you several sub-options related to your store management. From these options, click on Settings. This takes you to the central hub where you can configure various aspects of your WooCommerce store, including payment methods, shipping, and of course, taxes. Once you're on the WooCommerce settings page, you'll notice you've landed on the General Settings tab by default. This is exactly where we need to be, so you're already in the right place. The process from here is pretty straightforward. Scroll down the page until you locate the section labeled Taxes and Coupons. This section contains the key controls for managing tax functionality across your entire store. Within this section, you'll see a checkbox next to the option that says Enable Taxes. This checkbox is what controls whether tax calculations are active for your products. If you want to enable taxes, simply click on the checkbox. When a checkmark appears inside it, taxes are now enabled. If you want to disable taxes, click the checkbox again to remove the checkmark, leaving it blank. This tells WooCommerce not to apply any tax calculations to your products. Once you've selected the proper setting for your tax requirements, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a button labeled Save Changes. Click on it to apply your settings. It's important to wait a moment while the page processes and saves your changes to ensure everything is properly updated. And that's it. You've successfully configured the tax settings for your WooCommerce products. This simple toggle gives you complete control over whether taxes are calculated at checkout, making it easy to adapt your store to different tax requirements or business models. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.